Focus your attention on your heart. Breathe in and out of your heart center. Breathe in new energy. Exhale spent energy. Focusing your attention on your head. Express gratitude for your head in this way. I am grateful for my head, for my hair, my skin, for my ears, my eyes, my nose, and my mouth. I am grateful for my eyelashes and my tear ducts. I'm grateful for my salivary glands. I'm grateful for my teeth and my tongues and my sinuses. I'm grateful for my eardrums and my ear cochlea. I'm grateful for the way my brain functions without my conscious awareness. All the nerves and all the organs that release chemicals that fuel my body and keep it balanced. I am grateful for the way my mouth works at the beginning of the digestive system. I am grateful for the way my nose works and my mouth for the beginning of the respiratory system. I'm grateful for the way my eyes work, taking in information from the environment. I am grateful for the way my ears work and my skin, how those two organs, the skin and my ears, take in information from the world and allow me to function harmoniously in the world. From my heart center, I express unconditional love for all aspects of my head, my skin, my hair, my skull, all the cartilages and muscles and tendons that make my head work. I unconditionally love my jaw and how it functions to provide me with food and information about my stress. I am grateful for the way my eyes and my ears and my nose and my mouth work. And I unconditionally love the way those senses communicate information from the external environment. I unconditionally love all aspects of my head. From my heart center now, I'm moving to my neck. I express gratitude for my neck in this way. I am grateful for the bones that support my head and allow my head to move easily without pain in all the appropriate directions. I am grateful for the way the neck bones are hollow and carry the nerves from my brain to all other parts of my body. I am grateful for the muscles and the tendons and the sinews that support my head and transition my head to the rest of my body. I am grateful for the lymph nodes that are stored in my neck, for my esophagus that takes in nourishment in the form of food and air, for the rest of my body. I am grateful for my vocal cords and how they function without my conscious awareness. I'm grateful for my eustachian tubes that travel from my ears into my esophagus. From my heart center, I express unconditional love for my neck and all that it does for me. From my heart center, I love my neck and how it supports my head. I love the muscles and the bones and the skin that keeps the bones and muscles protected from external elements. I love my thyroid gland and how it releases hormones that are essential for my biological balance. I unconditionally love all aspects of my neck. From my heart center, I now shift my focus to my shoulders. And I express gratitude for my shoulders. I am grateful for the way my shoulders support my neck and connect my neck and head to the rest of my body. I'm grateful for the way my shoulders connect my back to my front, the skin on my shoulders, my bones, my muscles, my cartilages and tendons, the blood flow from my skin that goes through my muscles from my heart. I am grateful for the structure of my shoulders and how it supports my head and neck. From my heart center, I express unconditional love for my shoulders. I love the way my shoulders connect things, such as my neck to the rest of my body, my front to my back, my arms to my body. I love the skin, the bones, the muscles, and the glands. I love the neurons and the blood flow. I love the way my shoulders function without my conscious awareness to support me in my efforts to live harmoniously in the world. Breathing in new energy, exhaling spent energy. From my heart center, I now focus my attention on my arms. Breathing in new energy, exhaling spent energy. I express gratitude for my arms, starting with my shoulder joints. I'm grateful for the muscles and the bones and the cartilages and the tendons in my shoulder, where my shoulder connects to my arm, my elbow, my wrist, my fingers, all the bones in my hands, all the cartilages and tendons. I'm grateful for the way my hands communicate to others. I am grateful for the miracle of my hands and arms taking care of my own body, and for the miracle of being able to assist others in shifting their energies from imbalance to balance, from dysregulation to regulation. I am grateful for the sensitivity of my fingers and how they seek out information in another person's body about their imbalances. I'm grateful for the ability to assist others in feeling more comfortable in their own bodies. From my heart center, I express unconditional love for all aspects of my arms, my shoulders, my muscles, my elbows, my wrists, my hands. From my heart center, I unconditionally love the fact that my arms support not only me, but others in an effort to live harmoniously in the world. I am astounded and express appreciation and unconditional love for my ability to use my hands and my arms to assist others in achieving balance. From my heart center, I now focus my attention on my trunk. I am grateful for my backbone that carries the nerves from my brain to all other parts of my body. It also carries the nerves from my heart to all parts of my body. I'm grateful for my rib cage or my sternum. I'm grateful for all my internal organs, my heart and its miraculous circulatory system, my lungs and its miraculous respiratory system, and my stomach and all the organs that work to digest foods that I consume, that feed my muscles and my bones. I am grateful for the miracle of my female organs, my fallopian tubes, my ovaries, my uterus, my vagina. From my heart center, I express unconditional love for all aspects of my trunk, my skin, my bones, my muscles, all my glands that are stored in my trunk. I love my breasts. I love my stomach. I love my back. I love the way my body functions harmoniously and balanced without my conscious thought. I unconditionally love all aspects of my trunk, which is the center part of my body and my energy centers. I love my ability to sense the energies of other individuals and recognize their imbalances. I love that I am able, with my body, to help them shift their awareness so that they can move to balance. I love that I no longer have to fix others. I simply have the ability to allow space for their bodies to fix themselves. From my heart center, I express unconditional love and gratitude for all aspects of my trunk. Breathing in new energy and exhaling spent energy, I focus my attention now on my hips, my thighs, my hip joints, my knees, my ankles, and my feet. I express gratitude for the skin and the bones, the muscles, the tendons, and the cartilages. I am incredibly grateful for the miracle of my legs and how they support me every day, walking softly on Mother Earth, pumping fluids from one part of my body to another. I love my legs, my hips, my glutes, my hip flexors, my psoas, how it connects my hip to my trunk. I unconditionally love the way my feet support my entire body and keep it in perfect balance with everything around me. I love the pumping motion and function that my legs and my feet serve for my body. I love the way my legs, hips, and all my joints from my hips down to my little baby toe provide me with the ability to move without pain. From my heart center, I express unconditional love and gratitude for all aspects of my body. I love life, and I am grateful for my ability to function in the world for the greatest good of all beings everywhere. Aho.